Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today here to share with you a haul, and it is actually 2 Target hauls in one. So I kind of saved them up, and here we go. I also picked up yesterday in conjunction with this bag a bunch of the gardening things. You know, I have that little section in the dollar spot where they have all the gardening goodies right now, and so I picked up some of those for my my oldest daughter's fella, and they're really sweet. They've started like planting little gardens at each of their places, and they have, you know, herbs and tomatoes and flowers, and anyways, you know, so I was trying to think, you know, what could I do for him that would be something special, and yeah, you know, this would be fun. So that's in another bag, but I'm not going to bore you guys with that because that's all gardening. So in this bag from Target, I am just going to pull it out. So I saw these are cute. This is a mini journal, 60 sheet, jot it down, and it was $1. So, and it is just literally notebook. It looks like it's notebook lined paper. Is it notebook? It may not be. Hold on, let's see. Hey, let's open this baby, right? That's what makes it fun. So, yeah. I don't know about y'all, but all I do all day long is go from one thing to another. No, it's unlined. Ooh, even better. Kind of like that. That is really cute. So that is from Dollar Spot at Target. All of this pretty much is. So I'm going to try to pull out things that are similar. I had bought these before. I really love these. I'm going to be doing a project with these. So these are just 8 thank you notes with their envelopes. They're $1 from the Dollar Spot, and they have that gold foil pineapple, and I thought that was really cute. I also picked up some push pencils and some cute little notepads and pens. And I am going to be doing a drawing for you guys. I'm going to finally get back to my drawings, and I owe some of y'all, 2 of y'all, long overdue in the middle of all the emergencies. So anyway, so I'm picking up these things, and I should probably sort these as I do it. So this one was that, and that one goes with that. So, alright. And I also picked up the Darling Little Mermaid pad to go with that. And then the mermaid flashlight. Isn't this cute? It's so cute. I love that. And then let me see. I picked up the fruit erasers for that one, and the ocean erasers for this one. So anyways, and then I picked up, well, that's for work. There is the fruit flashlight and the fruit long notepad. And then I also picked up some things for the office. So I picked up these like flags, now, later, keep it simple. I'm not a super huge fan of the sticky note tags from Target. I don't think they have a residue, and they don't always hold well. But I'm going to give them a try because we always need tags. And then I also picked up the good, never bad post-it ones. And it's mainly because we have so many documents that clients have to sign. So, alright, so let me go through this last part and quit rattling around. And then I picked up some of these for my briefcase. These are just from the Dollar Spot, the little paper clips. This is also from the just regular school supply, office supply section. These are just the sticky notes by Up and Up, which is the Target brand. So I bought some of those. I bought 2 of these because we use that many. And there's always so many documents. I also picked this up. I thought this was really cute, and I'm not sure if I'm going to share this with all my girls or if we'll use it in the office, but I really love these. And this was $3. So if you bought one of these in other places, it may be $3 just for the one bookmark. So I thought, all those are so cute. Let me put them right. So they have the mermaid tail, the sea, the clamshell, and then the star, like the starfish. So super, super cute. There's some sticky notes. There's some paper clip, you know, the alligator clips, and then there's some thumbtacks, and really, really cute. It's got a stationery kit. So really, really cute. Love that. And then I picked up some additional of those, which you're going to see in a minute. I went crazy. I love those stickers. And I picked up these. So these are some really neat file that I got for our office, and one is for the estate, one is for the business my husband and I work in, and then one is for our personal. So these are labels. They're pre-done. It's fantastic. I love these. I thought these were really nice, and I think they were very inexpensive. I want to think this was in the business section of Target, and I want to think maybe $2 each, maybe $3, I'm not sure, but it's pre-done. I don't have to print anything. I don't have to type it. I love this. That was quick and easy. I also picked up some of these mini gel pens, and that's it for that bag. Sorry, I'm rattling. So let's go through the second bag. All right. Now, in this bag are all the file folders that I picked up, and I thought these were just gorgeous. I am going to do some traveler journals for projects later with these. I think they're gorgeous, and I also picked up some of these for the office. I thought those are really pretty. I loved all those. There's 3 different color schemes, so purple, blue, and pink, and I just thought those are really pretty. And then finally, I picked up, oh no, there's several more, excuse me. So I picked up these. These are for probably our business. I really like these. These are just gold, and then they have black. So they have the gold foiling, and I thought those are really, really sharp. And of course, you can see that we go with that. So, yeah. And they were all together. And these file folders have been very expensive at Target before, but they aren't, these were not that expensive, I felt like. More of just more print. And I think this just reminds me of looking at a pool, but blue, pink, and purple hues. So you can see those. That almost has like a sand dune look or a beach look. And then, let me see here. I have 2 more, and these are the same. So these are all just pink and gold stripe tabbed folders, and they are beautiful. I love that gold foil on them, and there's 6 of those in each one. So first I will use these in work, and then I will use whatever's left. I'll be making some fun traveler's notebooks out of this. So here's another one of those waterless travel bags, or whoops. Wow, that was amazing. Water safe travel bags for $3 from the dollar bin. And I love these. These are so cute. And this one has, it looks like a little lemon there. So I'll have these for my husband, my youngest daughter, and I. So, alright guys, so that's the end of that bag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this out of the way so you guys can see the next bag. So just 1 second. I hope you guys are having a good day. So this is going to be one giveaway. And I think I have bought this one for that. So this is going to be one giveaway, and this is going to be another giveaway, and I think that's going to be really fun. And I will come back with that later. But for now, matter of fact, I'm going to differentiate these from the others, so I know that I have that all separate for y'all. And then this goes over here, and then we'll get to the third bag. So, but anyways, I hope you guys are having a good day. It has been a very early day for us, and then it was a very sleepy day at one point. I think we're just so exhausted these days, and I actually let myself take a little bit of a nap. I mean, we are working until sometimes really late at night, and then we get up early, and then we're just hitting burnout. You know, it's hard to keep going like that. So anyways, I let myself take a little bit of a nap, but not long, you know, just a real quickie. So, alright, I finally found one of these. I'm super excited to play with this, and I love the pink, and of course I love the black, but I thought that was fun to play with. And I also found this one first, and then I saw the pink, and I thought, no. So this one is going to be for Josephine's Designs, and this one is the green, and it's going to be healthy living for him. So, in case you don't know, I've also had another blog for many, many years. I really, in the last couple of years, have let things kind of die down, but as we go vegan, I will begin blogging more again on this one, and yeah, so I thought both of those were perfect. And I love pink and green together. So, alright, and then finally, I picked up, like I said, I love these. So I picked up 3 more here yesterday. And then I picked up lots of the darling little plastic icons that go and would work with these different boards. So that's it. That's it, guys. That's my Target haul for the last 2 or 3 weeks. Oh, whoops, I forgot. I did pick up this, and I love this. This is like when you have a party, you put your forks, knives, spoons, you know, whatever else you want in here. I love this. It's by Spritz. It's a utensil metal caddy. And I probably will try to use this in my kitchen. I even like watched to see which one wasn't, you know, bent, because sometimes that happens. But these, I think this was $8, and I thought for $8, it is so pretty and so useful. Yeah, so I'm going to use that in my kitchen, and that's it. Now I'm officially done. So, alright guys, I hope most importantly you guys are having a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't a member or you haven't subscribed to this channel, please feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you be a part of us. And if you happen to hit that little bell icon next to it, that'll notify you of new videos, and that's a great thing. And I think that's it, guys. Most importantly, I do hope your day was good. Ours was very good. And there were difficulties today, but, you know, it's okay. It really is okay. And we learn in these difficult times, so that's okay, you know. But, yeah, we'll see how things turn out. You know how that is. But, alright, guys, most importantly, I pray that your day is blessed, and it was creative, and it was ever so lovely. And I thank you so, so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.